InSquare is application for Android phone. It allows you to edit photos. Open the application. The main screen is divided in three sections: camera, editor, and college. When you click on camera, let's open your camera. Here you take your picture and you can capture again if your picture is not good for you and accept. Okay. The next section is editor. Click on it. Select one picture in your phone. The pictures you can select from all photos, camera MX, quick square new. In other words, they are divided in albums. Okay, here's a picture of me. The first button down on the screen is ratio. Click on it. Here are 1:1 for Instagram, 5:5 or 4:5, and that's for Instagram too. 3:4, 4:3 for Facebook. Okay. Crop. Click on it. Here are resolution again: 1:1, 4:5, 2:3, 3:4, 4:3, 69, 9:16. Also, here are crop presets with frames. Here they are. Okay, I don't like this. So exit, border, click on it. Here you can see, here is border in the picture. There are several types. 1, 2. I don't like frame. I mean border. Next, frame. Some of them are locked, some are not. I don't like frame, so exit from here. Background. The background can be color, some pictures given from the editor. Here they are. Also, it can be blurred image, so that is the image that you selected for editing. And also, I mean, you can add some other picture. Yes, you can, but I will leave like it is. Okay. No, the frame, I don't like it, so I will back here. Next are the stickers. I will select this one. Subscribe, for example. You can choose 20. Oh, I forgot to check it. Okay. Here is it. Here it is. You can resize it, make it smaller or bigger. Text. You can change fonts. You can change color You can make it right, left, or justify. You can add shadows also. Clip. What is this? I don't know. It will show some window where you can select picture or clip. I don't know. I work with this program first time, just once. Okay, here's some picture. Choose. Okay. Crop with frame. Oh, this is picture in picture. Okay. I don't like it, so I will hide it. Here are some filters. I will choose A5. Brushes. There are several effects with them. You can fill it with the brushes here, the background, or you can draw in the whole picture, but I don't like it, so back. You can mirror the picture and flip it. Okay, check. And you can save it to the phone and share it on social media platforms, messengers, WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, and all others applications. They are installed on your phone. Okay, now go to the home page or the home screen, and the third part is college. Select it. You can add to 20 photos. That is the maximum number. 1, 2. I will choose 2, and let's continue. Here is the layout. The number of presets is 22. You can choose it ratio, border. Okay. The size of the picture. Change the background. Add stickers, art text, clip, filter, brush. I don't like to save it, so discard. Okay. The 3 horizontal lines is the menu. Here you can choose the size, high or regular, change language, rate this application, love it or dislike it. Later you can add feedback, change the place where you want to save your photo, visit their Instagram and Facebook profile, and the information about the version of the program. So that is for this video.